Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, and I hope you've been enjoying the videos so far. If you haven't seen any of my videos, please go to my channel, which is I think bottom right of the video. Click on it, look at the I want to call them video lists. Oh my gosh, playlists. Have a look at the playlists, and at the moment most of my videos are from acrylic flow art, but I do have some other ones as well, so have a look. And I've just started populating also like experimentation of how we can take the acrylic off the canvas, and also I started doing videos on how to mix colors, but I am quite busy. This is not my full-time job, so sometimes I film something and it takes me ages to actually edit and post it. So thank you for your patience, and if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me. And now, without further ado, we're going to begin. So I love working with round canvases. Depending on where you live, you need to look for the best ones for you. I buy mine online because where I live in a small town, there's no way we can get anything like this. And I usually buy them in bulk. So we're going to create an ocean wave, and depending on how it turns out, we may or may not end up hand painting. And by we, I mean me. So let me get the camera ready. Excellent. Today I decided to create a quite moody ocean wave, and we'll be using, if I don't break it first, this little thing called the world's smallest blower. Apparently they come in two brands, and I didn't realize that. So when I was trying to figure out what brand mine is, I do not know, because I threw the packaging away and there is no branding on the actual thing. But apparently you can get attachments for them, and when you buy attachments, there are two different brands, so you can get different attachments for different brands. What am I going to do about it? I haven't decided yet, because right now it works for me just fine without attachment. So I like the floor to go this way, because honestly I like to work this way, and if the client doesn't like it, they can just flip it and it will go the other way. So really it doesn't matter. The moody color is going to be quite dark. This is an iridescent. I will tell you exactly what this one is if you give me 1 second, because from Pibeo Studio Acrylics, number 360. Okay, and all it is diluted with Floetrol, the Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to create this half moon shape with it. These colors are quite expensive, so it's better to use a little less and then add more if you need to. Let's spread this out. It's always to have a little bit of the color left undiluted, so that if you have to hand paint over later, you have a thicker consistency to do so. Okay, the rest is going to be white. Okay, so now for the colors. I want to add a couple of different colors. This one is Reeves color mixed with Floetrol. You can see how it like immediately starts to react. This one, if you've seen my other wave video, which I haven't posted as of yet, but I will post it before I post this one. So my other wave video, this was a leftover of a whole bunch of different greens and blues that I've mixed together, and I got this color. And what I'm going to do with this one is hopefully just a little bit free flow it. And I still have some left. This one's been lasting me for ages. Cover it up so that it doesn't dry up. Next one is this Byron pouring acrylic. This is one of the last ones I have left from the set that I bought. It is already pre-mixed. Still have some left. This one also is lasting me for ages. Next, I'm going to try and add that Lumière by Jacquard, which I can never pronounce. However, I don't know how it will react. I have not used it for this type of painting before, so it will be interesting to see. And I'm just thinking how much of it I want to add. I feel like I want to add a lot because it's a very nice light color. Now, last but not least, is silver. Silver is a Reeves silver, so Reeves acrylic, also diluted with Floetrol. It'll be interesting to see how the Jacquard, Lumière, and this silver will interact with other colors. I'm gonna go from the bottom up because I just feel more comfy. cover it. And before we go ahead, I want to have a quick chat about these little drops here, which depends on what you're doing and what your final result is. I feel like there will be movement here, so the flow should take care of these drops. If you don't like them, you can scrape them off with a palette knife and put your base color on top. But I think it's gonna work. So one of the things I kind of learned with the blower, first of all, I need to move the painting closer because the extension cord's not long enough. One day I'll have a perfect studio, but right now I call it is what it is. Yeah, it's still in the shop. Awesome. Okay, so one of the things I recommend, whether using a hair dryer or this blower, is to go slowly from the top down, because sometimes people just turn it on here and it just splatters everywhere, and therefore you don't know, what result you're going to get. Also, usually I would probably do the end last. So I'll go from the top down so that the bottom parts layer on top of the top ones, if it makes sense. You'll see what I mean. Alternating, going right and left. Now I see that, no, I don't like this, but I do like how the other one's integrated. So I'm gonna go like that. I feel like we need a little bit more lighter colors sort of here and here. I'm just trying to think which one. I think here we have enough, just needs to be blown. Not quite happy with this one. Let's have a look if we can get a little bit of pearlescent turquoise here. Get it more up that way. Okay, I feel like we need some sort of a line here to connect. I quite like how this part turned out, but then I feel like there's something missing. And then when it dries, I'll see how many cells come up, and maybe I will hand paint, maybe I won't. But I don't like, so I've tried before doing those little swirly things people do, but I didn't quite like the result of it, to be honest. So I try to avoid doing it personally as much as I can. Now what I'm trying to do is just give this a little bit more and now I heat them. All right, let's leave it for 1 week to dry and come back to it and see what it looks like. And here it is, the final result. If you look closely, I did add some hand-painted silver and blue and purple sections just to create more contrast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to create your own. If you did like it, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps artists like me in the long run and I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.